In this video, I want to show you how to reset this LuxPro thermostat. This is the LuxPro PSP511LCa, and you want to reset this if it's not working properly. So there are two ways to reset this thermostat. The first one is a hardware reset, and the second one is a software reset. So first you want to perform a hardware reset, and this one is going to refresh your thermostat and of course reset the clock, and this could help fix some issues. So to perform a hardware reset, first you want to get your thermostat out of the wall. So there's a button down below here. You want to press this button to remove the thermostat from the wall. So you want to hold it this way and push the button down below. Okay, now you can get it off the wall. So this is the hardware reset button right here. You can see this white round button here. So you want to push it once. Okay, so that's it. So that's how to perform a hardware reset. And now you want to get it back this way. Now push it in place. Okay, so that's how to perform a hardware reset. And the next thing you want to do after performing a hardware reset is to set your day and time. So you want to open the thermostat door. Okay, so next you want to push this dial to where you have set day and time. So you want to rotate this way. Okay, now you can see the dial pointing to where you have set day and time, and on the display you can see the day flashing. So you want to use the arrow up button to adjust your day. Okay, so you can see it's changing, and once you're done you want to push the next button. This is it right here, push it. Okay, so now you can see the time flashing. So you want to go back to the arrow up and down buttons to adjust your time, and you can see it's changing. You can press and hold it to get it to move faster. Okay, so make sure you set the correct time for AM or PM. So once you have your time set, you can come back here to where you have this dial. You want to push it back to where you have run. Okay, so that's it. That's how to set your day and time after performing a hardware reset. Okay, so if this doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you want to do is to perform a software reset. For a software reset, you want to get a pin or a pen. So you want to get a pin or a pen like this. So the reset button is right here. You want to get this in and push it. Okay, so you can see the screen getting fully populated, and that's it. The reset is complete. So that's how to perform a software reset. And a software reset is going to remove all your temperature settings. So you want to set your temperature again. So I want to show you how to set a temporary temperature after performing a software reset. So what you want to do is to come over here where you have the system switch. If you want to set your temporary temperature to heat, you want to push it up, and if you want to set it to cool, you want to push it down. So next you want to hit the hold button. This is the hold button right here. Okay, now you can see hold on the display. So what you want to do next is to use the arrow up and down buttons to adjust your temperature. So that's it until you have your desired temperature. So this hold on the display is going to hold your temperature indefinitely. So that's how to set temporary temperature. Okay, so that's it, and this will help fix your problem. So that's how to reset your LuxPro Thermostat PSP511LCa. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.